Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm unboxing the brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo with the smart controller. And I've also got 4 extra accessories: a round landing pad, 20-watt USB-C charger, tempered glass screen protector, and finally 128 gigabytes mini SD card. Let's jump right in. Here's the box. Clean, compact, very DJI style. You can already tell it's something premium just from the packaging. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First thing you get is this sleek DJI shoulder bag. This actually contains the drone and most of the accessories. Nice and compact. It's a soft, matte black bag with a solid zipper. Let's open it up. Inside, we've got the smart controller, the battery charging hub with 3 batteries, and of course, the drone itself. And here's the star of the show, the Mini 4 Pro drone itself. Let's take the drone out of its protective bag. It's tiny, but packed good. There's a plastic bracket holding the arms in place. Let's take that off. Now let's unfold the arms. Front ones first, then the rear. I'll pop one of the batteries into the back. It slides in with a nice click. Each battery gives you up to 34 minutes of flight time. Let's take off the gimbal protector. This is a 3-axis gimbal with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Super stable, even in wind. Now back to the smart controller. I'll remove the plastic wrap here. Here's the DJI remote controller with the built-in screen. No need to connect your phone. That's a big plus. It feels really lightweight, but premium. Antennas fold out like this, and here are the joysticks. They screw in easily. You can store them underneath safely when not in use. You also get a small screwdriver. This is for replacing the propellers if needed. DJI includes extras. Here are the included cables. One USB-C to USB-C and one USB-A to USB-C. 3 full sets of spare propellers. That's generous. Good to have backups. Next is the charging hub. It holds 3 batteries and they're all included in the combo. Super convenient for longer flying sessions. Now, here's the charging hub again. Let me unwrap it fully. It's super compact and well built, holds all 3 batteries. I've also got this extra 20-watt USB-C charger. Super handy for fast charging if you're out in the field. Let's quickly open the box, and here it is. Small, efficient, and works perfectly with DJI charging hubs. Another extra, this is a tempered glass screen protector made specifically for the DJI remote controller. And finally, the SD card I'm using is the Samsung Pro Ultimate 128 GB with adapter. Make sure to use a U3 or V30 rated card for 4K 60 FPS footage. Otherwise, your recording might stop or stutter. The SD card slot is right under the drone here. Label facing down. Just push it in until it clicks. Last but not least, the landing pad. It comes in this black zip pouch. Let's open it. This is a round foldable pad with one orange side and one blue side. You also get 3 small ground pegs, so you can pin it down when flying on grass or sand. Super useful for stability. Everything's out of the box and ready for takeoff. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is next level, and I'll be flying it soon. Subscribe if you want to see it in action. Thanks for watching.